Imagine you're walking down a busy street and everywhere you look, people are tapping their phones, scanning QR codes, or paying with just their faces. No one is carrying cash anymore. Now imagine trying to pay for your coffee and suddenly your payment doesn't go through. Not because you don't have money, but because your bank has frozen your account. No warning, no explanation. Now you're stranded, completely locked out of your own money. Sounds extreme? It's happening right now. In 2022, the Canadian government froze digital bank accounts of protesters without a court order. In 2023, nearly $48 billion was lost to cyber fraud and digital transactions. And in China, people have been completely cut off from their money due to their government's social credit system. A cashless world is coming faster than you think. But the real question is, are we truly ready? Or are we walking into a financial nightmare? Stick around, because what I'm about to reveal will change the way you think about money forever. Think about this. When was the last time you used physical cash? For most people, it's been weeks, maybe even months. Cash is vanishing at an alarming rate. Latest stats. In 2024, over 80% of global transactions are digital. In China, 90% of all daily transactions happen through WeChat Pay or Alipay. In Sweden, cash is used in less than 1% of purchases, and the country plans to go fully cashless by 2030. The COVID-19 pandemic accelerated this shift. People stopped handling cash because they feared it was carrying germs. Businesses pushed for card and mobile payments to avoid physical contact, and banks quietly reduced cash availability, shutting down thousands of ATMs worldwide. This shift wasn't just about convenience, it was about control. A world without cash sounds convenient, but here's the catch. You don't own your money anymore. Right now, if you have cash, you can spend it anytime, anywhere without permission. But when everything is digital, your bank, or even the government, can control how, when, and if you can access your money. Real examples of financial control. In Nigeria, during protests in 2023, authorities shut down mobile bank accounts of activists. In India, the government suddenly banned 86% of its cash overnight in 2016, forcing people to go digital. In the UK, some banks have started limiting withdrawals to prevent fraud. But in reality, it means you can't always access your own money freely. And that's just the beginning. If all money becomes digital, imagine a world where your payments are tracked 24/7. Every coffee, every meal, every purchase logged forever. Banks and governments can freeze your account anytime for any reason. AI-powered systems decide if your spending is responsible and block payments if they think it's not. Sounds scary? It's already happening. Now, let's talk about the exciting side of this transformation. Latest innovations in digital payments. Biometric payments. Companies like Amazon and MasterCard are testing palm scan payments, where you pay with just a wave of your hand. Facial recognition transactions. China's Smile to Pay lets people pay at stores using only their faces. Crypto and blockchain, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and CBDCs, central bank digital currencies, are challenging traditional banking with decentralized payments. Neural payments. Elon Musk's Neuralink is developing technology that could link your brain directly to digital wallets. And then there's AI-powered spending limits. Some companies are exploring AI-driven financial control where an algorithm decides whether your purchase is responsible, and if not, it gets declined. Is this the future we really want? Now let's take a step back. Why is there such a big push for a cashless world? For banks and big tech, more profits. When all money is digital, banks and payment processors collect fees on every transaction. For governments, more control. A digital economy means full financial surveillance, no more hidden transactions, no more tax evasion, and complete economic control. For criminals, more vulnerabilities. With everything online, cybercrime is rising faster than ever. In 2023, global cybercrime caused $8 trillion in losses, and it's predicted to reach $10.5 trillion by 2025. Meanwhile, hackers are breaking into payment networks, stealing billions with just a few keystrokes. So again, I ask you, is going cashless really the future we want? What can we do? Here are 3 things to consider. 1. Use cash. When you can, even if it's just small purchases, keeping cash alive keeps financial freedom alive. 2. Diversify your payment options. Relying on only one method, like credit cards or mobile payments, puts you at risk. Keep multiple options open. 3. Stay informed. Governments and corporations won't stop pushing a cashless agenda, So it's up to us to stay educated and prepared. So what do you think? Would you trust a 100% digital payment future? Do you feel safer with cash or digital payments? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this insightful, subscribe for more updates on the latest financial and tech trends. Thanks for watching and stay financially free.